Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update make.com scenarios with OpenAI for customer support. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your make.com scenarios with OpenAI for customer support, begin by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to your active scenarios and locate the one you wish to update. Click on the scenario to open its settings. Next, review the current modules within the scenario. Determine which customer support tasks you want to enhance with OpenAI. Search for the OpenAI module in the make.com app directory. Once found, click to add the OpenAI module to your scenario. Connect the OpenAI module to the relevant parts of your existing workflow. Configure the OpenAI module settings. Enter your OpenAI API key in the designated field. Select the appropriate model you want to use for customer support. Set up the input parameters for the OpenAI module based on your requirements. For instance, you may want to set up prompts that guide OpenAI in generating responses. Test the prompts to ensure they align with your customer support goals. Connect the OpenAI module output to the next module in your scenario. If necessary, add filters to manage when the OpenAI module is triggered. Review your scenario as a whole to ensure it flows logically. Save your updates after confirming everything is set up correctly. Finally, run a test of the scenario to observe how OpenAI interacts within your customer support workflow. Monitor the outputs during the test to evaluate the responses generated by OpenAI. Make adjustments as needed to fine-tune the functionality. Once satisfied with the results, your scenario is now updated and ready for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.